Hi guys, welcome back to another video from Bulls to the Wall Trading. This is going to be my watch list for January 12th, 2018. Bulls to the Wall Trading is a channel I created in order for me to share my experiences within the stock market and to encourage people to take a look into trading and hopefully to simplify trading for beginners. I really want to make it simple for people and encourage people to trade, and hopefully that's what I've been doing. And if you're interested in learning how to trade or just interested to see how it works, I suggest you follow my videos and subscribe to my channel, because I like to think that I make things really easy and really educational. I am not a financial planner. I am not a financial advisor. So please do your own research before investing. Just because I like certain stocks and I review certain stocks does not mean that you need to invest in them. Please do your own research. Thank you to everybody that's been supporting my channel. Thank you all for the thumbs up, the likes, the subscribes, and all the above. I have a free chat room through the Discord app. If you're interested in joining that chat room, I will leave the link in the description of this video. We have had a change of format recently. I discuss day trades first, then I go into swing trading, and then I take any questions that have been left in the chat room or in the comments of my previous videos. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna go over the stocks that I had on my watch list last night and see how they performed today. Then I'll go into the stocks that I have for tomorrow, and I'll do the same thing for the swing trading part of it. So the first stock that I had yesterday was DPW, which you can see I have it right here. So if I was looking at this stock this morning, I would have drawn my resistance line at $3.29 for a day trade. And what we would have wanted to happen was for the price to come to $3.29 and for the price to cross that line with good volume. But as you can see right here, the price didn't go back to $3.29 after the market opened. So let me just zoom in right here. So I would have drawn my line, my resistance line around right there, and I would have been watching it all day hoping for the price to come up to that $3.29, and if it crossed $3.29 with good volume, it would have been an opportunity to get in. But DPW didn't do what we wanted it to do, so there wasn't much there. GENE is the next one. This one didn't do much either. We probably put our line right here at $2.05, and again, we would have wanted the price to come up to $2.05 with good volume, cross that line of $2.05 and keep going up. But as you can tell, it really didn't do anything today. CBL, looking at this one, I probably put my line right here at $5.76. There wasn't much volume. The price did cross the $5.76 line, but it had no volume, so I wouldn't have done anything here. I just would have watched that one go by. I wouldn't have done anything. And it didn't have any movement in the pre-market, which is something that I look for. DRRX, same thing here. It never came back to where we drew the line at $1.45. It had relatively no movement post or pre-market, so I wouldn't have done anything. I didn't like it, and as you can tell, it didn't do anything all day. GCAP, this one we probably drew our line at $9.50 because it's close to the $0.50 mark. So instead of drawing our line at $9.47, we would have drawn it at $9.50. But as you can tell, when the market opened, it went down and it never really went back up to the $9 mark. So again, that's another one that we didn't see anything happen there. FCEL, this one, it looks like it had action in the post market right here and in the pre-market right here, which is good news. So what I would have done for this one in the morning, I would have drawn my new high. I would have drawn a new resistance line at the new high, which would have been 220, and I would have watched this stock play out and hope that it would come up to $2.20, break through $2.20 with good volume, and I would have gotten in. But as you can tell, it reached the highs of 220 in the pre-market, and after the market opened, it just came down and never went back up to 220. NVAX, same situation here. I would have drawn my line at $2.39 and hope that when the market opened, it would have creeped back up to 239 and crossed that line that we would have drawn right there, but it didn't do that, so didn't miss much there. And LC is the last one. I probably drew my line right about here at $4.31. That line would have been irrelevant in the pre-market because it made new highs at 440, so I would have drawn my line right there. But as you can tell, the price never quite reached $4.40. So again, that's another one where there was not much to do there. All right, so looking at tomorrow's potential day trades, the first one I have is CLF. So I would put my line right here at $8.80. So let me just draw that right there. So the idea behind day trading, or the way that I day trade, is momentum. So we want the price to come close to this resistance line that we just drew. I like to play the price crossing above with good volume, and that's an indicator for me to get out. For me to get in. Some people like to play a little bit below, expecting the break above this line. I like to play, just above the line. So it's all up to you. It's all your preference, but the resistance line is at $8.80, and that's where I'm going to keep it. Keep in mind that it is very close to $9, so you could see another resistance right there. So just keep that in mind. Oops, I don't want to do that. I want to do that. Next one is GGB. Alright, so this one it was a slow mover, but it made highs of $4.69. So again, that's where I will draw my line. And tomorrow I want the price to come up to $4.69 and cross it with good volume. If in the pre-market it made new highs, then I would delete the line that I would draw right here at $4.69 and move it up to where the new high is. And it would be the same situation. If it made new highs at $4.77 in the pre-market, then when the market opens, I would be looking for the price to get close to $4.77 and cross above $4.77. And E is the next one. This one's at 572. NIHD at 87 cents. And I usually don't do stocks less than $1, but this one looks interesting. So keep that one in mind. CNIT at 318. JMEI at 403. And don't mind these blue lines, these are for swing trading. So JMEI at 403. ARWR at $5, and actually I'm gonna say at $5.50 for the $half mark. So $half marks and whole dollar marks are a big resistance point. So instead of getting in at 447 or 448, I would much rather get in at 550, 551. So just keep that in mind. And PDS. This one would be at $3.72. Alright, so now switching over to swing trading. Let's take a look at the stocks that I gave out last night and see how they did today. First one was NVAX. Whoops. So I spoke about how this one broke the trend, and that's exactly what we want to see, but not this big a candle. I want to see the trend break and close just above the trend line, but this one broke way too high. But you can still see that it's having another green day, so that one would have been a good one. I was watching it for a while and I was waiting for this break, but I wasn't anticipating this huge candle. RAD, this one had another green day, so that one did pretty good. Yep, that one was pretty good. The opportunity to get in, you could have gone in here with the break above the trend line and it closed above, so that would have been a good sign to get in right there. You would have had a red day, you would have had a couple bumpy days, but then it recovered. So right here would have been the ideal entry point. You would have had 3 bad days, but then 3 solid days. FCEL. So this one, what I wanted to happen was for the price to break above this trend line and close above. It did that, but it's a red candle, so that's a no-go for me. I would have rather have a green candle maybe open up about right here, come up and close maybe like right here. That would have been an opportunity for me to get in, but obviously this one didn't do what we wanted it to do, so I'm not interested in this one right now. PLUG, we wanted this one to come to support, but it looks like it's going back up, so this one isn't looking too good right now. And GSAT, same situation. We wanted this one to come back down to support to hopefully get in on a bounce play, but it looks like it's going back up, so it's not looking too good. And again, these are all just my opinions. Maybe you're looking at this and you're seeing another entry point. That's totally fine, but for me, for my style of trading, for what I'm comfortable with, I'm not seeing much. So now to talk about the swing plays that I have my eye on. I have CYH, and this one looks very, very good. So this blue line right here is the trend line. So the trend right now is in a downtrend. So today's candle, it came right up to that trend line and it closed just below. So tomorrow I want this candle, or tomorrow's candle, to go above this trend line and to close above. That would be a entry point for me. So if you are like-minded with the swing trades that I do, definitely keep this one on watch, because it's literally right there close to the trend line. DNR, for this one, we could do a break above 245, right around there. So if we see tomorrow's candle go above 245 and close above, it could be an entry point. So again, if you are doing this type of swing trading, keep that in mind. JMEI, same thing here. The previous high was $4.20. If this stock tomorrow can cross 420 and close above 420, it could be an entry point as well. And GLUU, I think I had this one several days ago, where I wanted, let me move this a little bit, I wanted the price to come down a little bit more to this support line right here to play a bounce play. It looked like it bounced right here, so hopefully you guys can see that. I didn't get in on it because I wanted the price to come down more. I wanted for it to be a little bit closer to this support line, but it looks like it still bounced. This was the candle right here confirming the bounce, and again another green candle to further confirm that it is bouncing. So that's that. Let me check the chat room to see if we have any questions or any requests. Whoa. Nope, no requests. Let me check something else. Nope, no request. Alright guys, so that's going to be my watch list again for January 12th, 2018. I hope you guys are learning. I hope you guys are finding these videos educational. If you are, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Every time I get a new subscriber, it literally makes me happy. Thanks for everybody that's joining the chat room. Again, if you're interested and haven't done so already, I'll put the link in the description of the video. That's about it, guys. Good luck tomorrow. Have a happy Friday and have a happy weekend. And I'll see you guys probably Sunday night for my video for Monday's watch list. All right, guys. Have a great night.